Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google Play Store and tapping your profile icon in the top right. Once there, choose Play Protect to get to the protection dashboard. You need the device unlocked and online. This lets the app load the controls immediately. Once done, look for the small gear or settings icon inside Play Protect. That's your entry to the switches you'll toggle next. Make sure you're on the Play Protect screen before moving on to turning features off. You tap the settings gear and locate the toggles labeled Scan Apps with Play Protect and Improve Harmful App Detection. Turn those switches off. A confirmation may appear, so accept it to stop automatic scans. On some phones, you may also see Verify Apps under Settings Security. Turn that off as well to prevent background checks. Once off, Play Protect won't scan new installs automatically, so be mindful when installing apps from. You finish by returning to the Play Protect dashboard and confirming each switch shows off. Then restart the device to ensure the changes persist after a reboot. After restarting, open Play Protect again and double-check the settings. If they stayed off, you're done. If the toggles re-enable automatically, check whether Google Play Services updated or if a device admin or security app forces protection. Remove that admin privilege or update settings there. That troubleshooting step usually resolves forced re-enabling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.